What is up, guys? Here's another episode, turboing the Mustang here. And on the last episode, in case you guys didn't see it, I was putting on my oil pump with my new billet gears from MMR, and I ended up cracking the oil pump housing, like just the housing. And so I had to order a new one, and the new one just showed up like 5 minutes ago. So here it is, the new one. Here's my billet gears. I need to take these gears that came with it out, put these in there. Here's my old housing, and there is the crack. Can you guys see that? Oh yeah. So it was okay. I was a little bummed about it at first, but I'm all good now. At least now I got my new part and I can just keep going forward. So hope you guys enjoy this episode. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below. And let's get after it, baby. All right, guys, got my bearings back in the new housing, and then I'm gonna align it this time. I might have to take it apart. I think CJ said to not put it together and try and align it first, but we'll see what we can do like this, and then I'll figure it out as we go here. Woo! All right, guys, finally got the gears aligned, and she is back on. Just got to throw the bolts in, connect the drain back up again, and we have officially did the gears, the oil pump gears. So and then I have to put all the timing chains back on, and then how are we gonna do that? So we'll have all this back together right now. That wasn't good. Hang on, let me try again. Right. All right, guys, it is many days later, but got everything bolted back together. New oil pump gears are in, timing chains back on, oil pan bolted back on. We are looking good, and I just got back here to the ooh, what's up? But at any rate, turbo got it back together because I was just dying to see what it looks like. So check that out. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Oh yeah. So I got some new hardware for it, so I just I started putting it back together the other day, but then got interrupted, but now finished that up, so that makes me happy. I think I might leave that right there to keep motivating me, because I can't wait. Throw that back on. Ooh yeah. So yeah, that's that. I think I'm gonna clean up some stuff for the rest of the day. Like, this is just like all dirty. I think I'm gonna clean a little bit. I'm trying to get the garage cleaned up. Just kind of getting a little overwhelmed with everything just around me, so I'm kind of organized a little bit. And we'll see what we get into next. Oh, bet you weren't expecting to see all that, guys. Timing chain cover on. Got this valve cover. I just set that on just now, and then I was getting ready to, well, that's bolted down, and timing chain cover is bolted down. Just getting ready to bolt that down, and then I decided the bolts are kind of ugly, so just throwing a quick paint on them. I did this before to the ones that you could see, and it worked out pretty good. Those ones are still good, so I figured just throw a fresh coat on those ones too. And so all of the hidden ones are also going to be black now, because it would have bothered me if I didn't paint those. So I did. I'm thinking about taking this off too, throwing a little paint on that too. Depends how easy that will come off. And then I'm getting ready. Oh, my jacket's on it. Getting ready to throw the other side on. Get that bolted up. I'm gonna really start everything that's kind of just loose leaf, pin everything, because it's getting a little overwhelmed, but I'm feeling a lot better now that things are just like going on. I think after I get this stuff on, I might try and get my headers on today, and yeah, just starting to bolt things back together. Super excited. Nothing like some warm weather to kick your butt in the gear. I was just like, holy crap, it's so nice. I gotta get this car done. So yeah, we're getting it done. And yeah. Oh, is that it, guys? I think that's it. All right. Hope you guys enjoy. Oh, guys, look at all this. Doesn't it just look so good? Oh, that's so nice to see. What's going on, guys? Just wanted to shoot a little clip before I put it on YouTube to kind of end this little video that I made. I know it's not much, but I just haven't posted a while on YouTube of the Mustang build. So here's where we're at. The turbo is actually, I don't even know when's the last. So you guys saw all this. Yes, okay. All this, belts on, all the pulleys are on, balancer on. Yes, okay. All these covers are on, everything's plugged in for the most part, kind of, not really, actually. I don't know why I said that. Okay, headers on. Oh yeah, and then you can see, whoop, that pipe goes over here up to the turbo. Oh. Come around town here, whoop, there's that header and pipe ran down. AC is all plugged back in. So, oh my gosh. Okay, so here's what I'm running into now. So, I got my turbo in place, just ran out and got some hardware to kind of just have it there so it doesn't fall off. I don't know where this goes, how this goes, or anything, because it's my first day, so get off my back. Where all these brake lines run into, I don't know exactly what this is called. That was in the way. So that was bolted up to this wall here. Or the frame here, whatever you want to call that. This side area. So I undid that, pushed it all the way down, and then pulled it all the way over this way as far as I could. I had to undo a couple brake lines just for this turbo to fit here. So I don't know if this is like in its right spot or not, man. I'm freaking out. So I don't know if I gotta like remount that somewhere else and then run like new brake lines to that. And then this hose here was in the way. It was like wrapped around, plugged in right here. So I think I'm gonna have to like rerun this. I bolted it back to where it goes, but it went like whoop, right where the turbo is and plugged back in. So I just unplugged it for now. Just got it sitting over here because I might have to, I don't know. Well, maybe I could just rerun it any way I want. I haven't got that far yet. But yeah, so that's pretty sweet. Turbo's here. Housing's all loose, so I could just move it around. Yeah, so, well, alright. I think I'm going to end this video here. Figure out some more things and then catch you guys up when we make some more like big progress here. Yeah, other than that, she's looking good. Oh, ooh, yeah, thirsty. I kind of want a new one of these too. I don't know if I should just get a new one of these, or I know some guys like take it off and I think you have to I think it's not like really painted under there, so they like repaint underneath it and just leave them off. I've seen some people do that, so I might do that. Or yeah, I don't know how good it is painted under there. Alright, here's a little walk around. Kind of cleaned up this little section over here. Coilovers are together. Looking good. I repainted my stock struts because I finally figured out how the struts go together with the coil springs and whatnot. So I threw some paint on them real quick. They look really good. Let's see, back to the car here. Whoop. So, yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this build. It's going pretty smooth. Once it gets warmer out here, we'll get the side-by-side out and the pitter. But, alright. That's about it, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And, we'll see you on the next one. Ooh, follow our Instagram, too. Follow CJ's Instagram. Follow all of my buddies' Instagrams. Follow them all. See you on the next one.